everyone, welcome back to my channel, Alfredo Media, and thank you guys for your continued support. Today, I'll be talking about secrets to successful visa applications. All right. The first thing I'm going to talk about is your appearance and self-confidence. Note that this cannot be overemphasized. Okay. You need to, before the visa interview, you really need to work on your self-confidence and your appearance. You need to look sharp for this interview. All right. Because there's a saying that goes this way that dress the way you want to be addressed. And another reason is because this visa consular really have time to scrutinize your documents or to have a good one-on-one drilling with you. So what they really look out for is how you look, that's your appearance, and how you respond to their questions, your confidence level and everything. I believe when you take care of this first pointer, you'll be in their good books. Okay. The second thing I want to talk about is building a strong travel history before your visa application. I always advise my customers or future prospective clients to ensure they build a strong travel history before applying to any of the European countries, North American countries, or Australia. Okay, travel to nearby countries. If you're applying from Africa, for instance, go to South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Egypt, Morocco, Maldives, and so on. Just try to build a strong travel history and all. So by the time you're applying for any of these developed countries, they say that okay, you have travel experience and you have a good um, travel record. This will go a long way in helping your visa application. Okay. And the next thing I want to talk about is you need to have a regular source of income. It's either you're working or you have a registered business. Okay. You need to have what generates money for you on a monthly basis or every 2 weeks. For some people, the income is being generated every 6 months. Some is on a monthly basis. Some is every year. You need to get something that pays you. Something you need to get something doing. What am I trying to say in essence is you need to have a strong bank statement you before you apply for any of these consulates. Before you apply for visa in any of these consulates, you need to have a strong bank statement. The reason I'm saying this is because they do a breakdown of the flight ticket, the hotel reservation, the money you're supposed to pay for the hotel if you're traveling as a tourist and you claim not to know anybody in your proposed country of visit, you need to pay for hotel, that is for the duration of your stay. You need to pay for the flight ticket. You need to have what they call personal traveling allowance. What the money you're supposed to use to sustain yourself when you're there, that is for your feeding, transportation, and welfare. And they expect you not to spend all the money you have in your account. That is, you need to have some leftovers, some reserves after you embark on this trip. So I advise that you have something doing, you have a regular flow of income or a regular source of income, monthly or every 6 months or yearly, because these are some of the questions you are going to ask, and you need to do well in this field before your visa can be granted. Okay. Another thing I want to say is you need to be transparent with these people and you also need to be honest with them. Any question the visa consular asks you, just be honest with them because they always have a way of checking if what you're telling them is true. They are trained psychologists. They read body language and they see if you're responding to the question truthfully or you're being deceitful. Okay, so just try your best to be honest with them and be transparent as much as you can. Okay. All right. The next thing I'm going to talk about is you try to stay crime free. All right. What am I trying to say with this? You need to have a good criminal record. You don't have anything with the cops or with the authorities. That is, just be a law-abiding citizen. That's what I'm trying to say in essence. Be a good law-abiding citizen. Do your best to stay off crime and all that. Because when you're filling the form for this visa application, there's a field there where you have to fill if you've been arrested before. If you click on yes, you have to tell them the reason why you're arrested. And if you've committed any crime before, you need to also fill it. There are lots of questions they ask you as relating to crime. So you need to give them the reason why you're being arrested, if you're convicted or not. So it's better when you click no in all these fields. So that's the reason I'm stressing that you need to do your best to stay crime free. So because these countries too, um, they don't want to absorb an ex-convict. They don't want somebody who's going to come to their country to do shady stuff. They don't want people who's going to come to their country to ruin their country or to corrupt the system. You understand? So that is what I'm trying to say here. Okay, this brings me to the end of the video. If you like this video, can you give this video a thumbs up? If you are here to subscribe, can you do so and make sure you turn on the notification bell so as to get updates anytime I upload new content. Thank you for your time and stay blessed. Bye.